Yeah, now I'm explaining about my project. This is credit card fraud detection using Adabush. The main aim of our project is to find the if any fraud is happened, we have to find that before if fraud is taking or after between the fraud is taken by who is doing by someone else. By using our project, we can find that everyone because if nowadays every transaction is happening at the time this fraud is going on. So by using our project, we can easily find it. Uh, how the fraud is happening everything. So from that I can say that for this we have given as input as two data sets. One is the time and the values which has been noted, everything can be given. Another one is the test, when I excel of test time, how much everything can be given and should be shown. From that now we are going to show about our project implementation. Just by doing this, first we have to give the code skill import a press, and we have to first install this panda and everything which can be consist of everything of our code. So just we have to run it. So but I have done everything my project in Google Hub, Google Colab. So in this we have doing with this project. From this when have search means first without running, after first is running everything have to done in a row. Just while doing this I have to uh, store my data in the drive, which drive I'm using, that where there I have to store it. By using this URL link I have to click on that. So where I have stored, you have to sign in with that. Then I have signed in my personal mail. So then I have to give allow. And then I have to copy the link and I have to give paste it over here. Then I have to give enter, means it will rotate everything. So from that there it will take as a code everything. So after that I have submission this, then I have taken from my Google Drive, the fraud DB is taking place. From the test I have given as a testing as ID, means how many ID is passing, then it be tested. Transfer information, test information, everything has been taken. Then after refreshing it will give some null values and float values, because data type, float, integer, everything should be given in this ID. Everything how the people what, if any memory usage, how much it is used, it should be shown. If it is zero means there should be no fraud. If it is some valuables one or something given means it will be fraud. There is null sum means check if it is any, without null means any integers one or there mean it will be given as intimated. So it's shown here as zero, so then it is no fraud is happening. Yeah, here when I'm giving enter five values, then it is show trail head, means any head five values it will be shown. In place of your head means normally if we didn't give it anything means it will be given first five values. When we enter 10 means it will be given as 10 values row. So from this, just normally I'm giving, so it will run as five head. In trail means it will be give trail. Then the data types, everything we have to given from this. These are the when the we have to, by using this we have to set data dimensions in a rows, number, columns, everything have to give. How much data we have to store, everything. In plot, we while using bar graph, we can easily pie chart and bar graph in this. There is fraud means how much percent of 0.9%, non-fraud means 99%. Like that, everything we have to do in a sequence manner. So after doing this, this is the data transaction time. When the people has been how many times per day they have been taken, everything. These are the storage started plot. If plot is between account and time, if fraud, how much time fraud happens, how much is not happens, everything can be intimated by using these subplots. Which time of seconds, how much time, how much they use, how much not use, where fraud happens, everything can be visible. From this visualization of amount box, it can be shown 0 means there is no fraud. When it's 1 or something else means how much fraud it's happened. Everything can be shown. This is an head type of head map for visualizing correction correlation. In this also it's shown where it's happening, everything continually intimated like that. All values from this same we can show everywhere to show every graph. It's view by view we can view. These are the outputs we are getting. If any fraud is happened there, we can find everything. These are the values if we are giving. When we test the time, how much, which time it's taking, how much in 0.00 no fraud happen. If 1 2 means at that time it will be take to happen. Like that, similarly, every test we have to check it in easy. From the shuffling data set, count the total number of samples and everything. From the splitting test to every code, we have to check everything can be done in a manner. Last, we have to means by using this module, set input and size of this project means it will be shown that how the name should be passed everything in a splitting way of manner. Everything could be shown in a equal proper way. If plotting a figure means in this plotting figure also it will show that how much is trend, how much is flow, everything can be shown according to this data input size. We have to show that when how much data is lost, how much is in the value lost, everything in a pie graph will be shown up and down way of matter. On the submission at the time it will show how much way of logger added, how much it is gone. Everything can be shown in this way of manner. These are the way that we can find every fraud when it is happens and when it is been going on.